Today we will give you our reason why Purple Group is not in our 2022 JSE stock picks. If you followed FinMeUp for a while, you'll know that we've covered Purple Group many times and we've been bullish all the times to date. Our first stock pick on Purple Group was when it was 34 cents, then again at 50 cents, then 80 cents, then 1 Rand, and now it's 3 Rand 27. So if you bought Purple Group shares and you are in the green, which you most probably are, congratulations. If you followed the stock picks, you also would have done pretty well. So if you haven't watched our 2022 JSE stock picks, well, for both local and offshore, check it out. The link is in the description. So Purple Group, it's now 3 Rand 27 cents at the time of this recording. The valuation is now 3.9 billion Rand, PE ratio of around 76, price to sales ratio of around 19, which is huge for a South African company. And if we look at their latest financials for the year ending 31 August, they posted the following. So revenue growth of 26% to 205 million. So 26% growth year on year, it's good. But for a company with a price to sales of 19, it's a bit rich. The profit for the year was 73 million Rand. And the EPS, the earnings per share, grew 190%, which is great to see that growth in the EPS. EasyEquities being the biggest contributor to that growth, and the growth is likely to continue if we see how their user base is continuing to grow, the amount of funded accounts continuing to grow, and the amount per account growing. So there is definitely growth, and it will continue to grow. No doubt about that. We interviewed their CEO recently. The link is in the description. And it was great to hear, of all the plans going forward. And many of those products that they explained, or that the CEO, Charles Savage, explained, that is expected to be launched is mostly end of this year or in the next few coming years. EasyEquities already has the community and the distribution. So the more products they roll out, the more money they will make if they execute well. And they have proven that they know how to execute, which is a confidence booster. But at these levels, at 3 Rand 27 is just too high for our liking, especially in South African context. If we look at the price to sales being 90, the PE ratio of 76, it's just a bit too rich for us at this level. And we continue to track this company very closely. The fundamentals still remain, but only with a proper pullback or a financial results that blow us away beyond expectations, we'll look to add again to our position. It would not be surprising to us if we see a correction in the share price in the coming year. I know many people have their share price targets of 4 Rand or 5 Rand. And, there's no doubt about it that this company is a great company for the long term, and it will probably reach that in a few years. Nobody can predict the future. Just personally, at these levels, it's a bit tough. We will keep a very close eye on their product rollouts and their financials when released. So why it's not part of our 2022 stock picks is because the products expected to be rolling out is only by the end of this year and the next few years. And the valuation for the current product is just a bit too high at the moment. They have a great management, great product, great partnerships, great community, great roadmap, and we still love them for the long term. It's just at these levels. So to round up, do we still like Purple Group for the long term? Yes. Do we think it's overvalued at the moment? Yes. Do we still own shares in Purple Group? Yes. Will we buy at these levels? No. So what are we looking for next? The set of financial results, as well as when the new products roll out, like the Easy Insure, the Easy Forex. They've got so many other plans. Go check out that interview with the CEO. Let us know in the comments what you think of Purple Group at these levels and of the company. Are you EasyEquities user? Usually you most probably are. But the real answer and just the conclusion is that we believe the valuation is just a bit too high for our liking at the moment. Who knows, maybe it skyrockets to 5 Rand from here on. Maybe they post blowout results, which would be great to see this company succeed, because we are already in the company. I am a shareholder. The rest of our team are shareholders, so we do like the company for the long term. But for our 2022 stock pick specifically, it's not in the list. But who knows, it may be in the next year's set of stock picks, or maybe we see a pullback during this year and then we'll pull that trigger and we'll let you know on the FinMeUp channels. Go check out the description to join our FinMeUp community, whether it's Telegram, or WhatsApp or any of the other channels. So that's our reason. Let us know what you think. We'd love to hear what your opinion is on Purple Group at these levels. Once again, not financial advice, our opinion, our research. I hope you have a great day. Stay tuned for more and happy investing. Cheers.